2013 Ford Mustang 5.0 convertible, beautiful car. Factory converter there. Factory H-pipe with a flex pipe. Factory resonators. Then what we did is did a muffler swap out with FLOWMASTers. Part number 71235. Be a link in the description for them. And then we also put some new tips on it, black, 4.5 inch. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the two mufflers that we cut off right there and right there. So here we go. We'll let you guys hear it. I thought something fell. Is that what you want? Or you want more? A little more. And they will break in about 30 days. Get a little bit loud. You want to run with it for a
ground down the street so I can hear what it sounds like.
Again? Let's do a video. FLOWMASTers, here's sound decibels. Again. So they still got their stock resonators on them. They're reached right at 100. They might want it a little bit louder, we'll see. You good? It'll get a little bit louder. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside with the top on. Ford Mustang 5.0 with FLOWMASTers. 1 second.